Hello learners. Overview of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Why learn artificial intelligence and machine learning? Artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing how we work, communicate, and make decisions. They enable machines to learn from data and perform tasks like prediction, classification, and pattern recognition. Learning AI and ML is essential for staying competitive in today's data-driven world and unlocking career opportunities in cutting-edge technologies. What to learn? Core topics include supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, deep learning, and natural language processing. It's also important to understand data pre-processing, model evaluation, and algorithm selection. Practical skills in Python and tools like TensorFlow, Keras, and scikit-learn are vital for hands-on experience. Where this learning is useful, AI and ML are widely used in healthcare, disease prediction, finance, fraud detection, e-commerce, recommendation engines, and transportation, autonomous systems. Businesses also use them for customer insights, automation, and process optimization. These skills are highly valued across industries, making AI and ML a strategic area for future-focused learning and career growth. Happy learning! Thank you.